Students, our today's topic is latitude and longitude. As few of the students asked me question about latitude and longitude to explain this, so today I am explaining latitude and longitudes. Now, this is our Earth. We take Earth, then as we play lattu, so there is a nail inside the lattu. Similarly, there is this central part, जो उस nail की तरह ही है. This central part is called axis. इस एक्सिस का जो ये नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट है, दिस नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्थ पोल, while this southernmost point is called the south pole. Now, in between the north and south pole, the line which divide Earth into two equal hemisphere. हम लोग यहाँ से करेंगे तो इक्वल नहीं होगा, यहाँ से करेंगे तो शायद इक्वल नहीं होगा. वो लाइन जो अर्थ को which divide Earth into two equal hemisphere, that line is called equator. Now this is equator. Now from this equator, what angle is this angle? From here to here. Obviously this angle is 90 degree angle. So it is 90 degree. Latitude 0 degree का है, हम मानते हैं. All these lines are imaginary lines. Now if you put D here, then the central here it is 45 degree. Similarly हम लोग यहाँ से डिग्री जो है 1 to 90 डिग्री तक यहाँ पर डिग्री होगी. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी 90 डिग्री है, तो 1 to 90 डिग्री, यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री हो गया. देन वी ज्वाइन द सेम डिग्रीज, सेम डिग्री लाइन. Similarly, in the south hemisphere also we join the same degree line. The total degree line in the northern hemispheres are 90, and the total degree line in the southern hemispheres are 90. So the total latitudes are 180 plus 1. The 1 is equator, 0 degree. So the total latitudes are 181 are the total latitudes. So this is how we make latitudes. Now in latitudes, if we see their qualities, then the first thing which comes is that all the latitudes are parallel to each other. Means they both never touched each other, the two latitudes. The second thing is the difference between the two latitudes is 111 kilometers. The latitude 0 degree to 1 degree latitude, 1 to 2 degree latitude, इस तरह से हम लोग देखें टोटल latitude, तो दो latitudes के बीच का जो difference होता है वो 111 किलोमीटर है. The next is the that only one latitude, that is the 0 degree latitude, divide Earth into two equal hemisphere. If we, the other latitudes, if we cut Earth from other latitudes, then the Earth does not divide into two equal hemisphere. Only the one equator divide Earth into two equal hemisphere. So these are called latitudes. अगर latitude याद नहीं होता है हमको, तो लाइंस जो लेटी हुई है इस तरह से, These latitude lines are called latitude. Let us come to longitudes. This is our Earth. Now this is equator. This one is pole. We make one. This is one line, the north pole and the south pole, and this is equator. Now if we see Earth from here, अगर हम लोग नॉर्थ पोल से अर्थ को देखते हैं तो अर्थ विल लुक लाइक दिस. इट इज नॉर्थ पोल. ये नॉर्थ पोल अर्थ की नजर आएगा एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस लाइन इज द इक्वेटर एंड इस इक्वेटर के पीछे बैक साइड में अर्थ का द रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज बैक साइड दिस. Now from here the whole circle, the one circle is of 360 degree. So if we make one line here, imaginary line, that is 0 degree line, another line here. So the total lines from here to here are 180 lines. Similarly from this side also 180 lines. The total lines are 360 lines. We make these degree lines, make degrees here in this equator. This is equator. So here we make these lines and then we join from pole to these lines like this, or we can say like this and this. Here we join each line like this. So here we see that each pole, each line, whether this line, this line, this line or any line, each and every line divide Earth into two equal hemispheres. So here also let us see the qualities of the longitudes. These are called longitudes. नहीं याद होता है तो सिंपल सी बात है, वो लाइंस जो लॉन्ग लंबी लंबी लाइंस है नॉर्थ टू साउथ, दे आर कॉल्ड longitudes. The first thing, join in poles. पोल्स में सब लाइन आपस में ज्वाइन करती हैं, जबकि यहाँ पर हम लोग लैटिट्यूड्स में आए तो दे ऑल आर पैरेलल और कभी भी आपस में ज्वाइन नहीं करती. Now in longitude, second thing is that they are not parallel. यहाँ पर इनका डिफरेंस मैक्सिमम होता है, यहाँ कम हो गया, यहाँ कम, यहाँ कम, यहाँ कम, यहाँ कम, और पोल में जाके तो ये आपस में एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन ही कर जाते हैं. Similarly in this south side also. So the difference between two lines, one line to two line, is 4 minutes. Because these lines are timelines also. These lines are also called timelines. कहने का मतलब ये है कि सन को यहाँ एक लाइन से दूसरी लाइन के ऊपर आने में लगभग 4 मिनट्स का टाइम लगता है. Even then, if we want to count the difference between two lines in kilometers, then in equator only, in equator the difference between the two lines is 111 किलोमीटर. क्योंकि बाकी में हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये आपस में पास आने लगती है नॉर्थ एंड टुवर्ड्स साउथ आल्सो. These are called latitudes and these are called longitudes. Now again I am making latitudes and longitudes. Let us revise it by making it again and make the whole network of longitudes and latitudes. For example, this is our Earth. Now here in our Earth we divide our Earth into two equal parts is called equator. It is equator. Now the lines which are parallel to equator, these are the angles which we take from axis to equator. So the lines which are parallel to equator, they all lines, parallel lines, they all are called latitudes. The total number of latitudes are from 0 to in North Pole is 9. Similarly, the same thing is in this southern hemisphere. The total number of latitudes are South Pole 90. Means total latitudes are from north to south. The number of total latitudes are 180, or including 0 is 181 are latitudes. They are imaginary lines only. That's all. And the difference between these two latitudes lines are 111 kilometer. Now the second is the longitudes. We make one longitude, and this longitudinal line is the 0 degree, or also called the standard meridian GMT, because they are the timelines. So this timeline is called world time, because it goes near from Greenwich, which is a laboratory near London. That is why this line is called Greenwich Mean Time Line. This part is the east part, and this one part is the west part of this line. So there are 180 line in east and 180 line in west. These lines goes from pole, southern pole to northern pole to south pole, north pole to south pole. जैसे से ये लाइन्स इक्वेटर की तरफ चलती हैं, इनके बीच की दूरी बढ़ जाती है, और इक्वेटर से वापस पोल की तरफ आती हैं, तो इनकी बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होता है वो कम हो जाता है, और इक्वेटर में तो ये सब आपस में एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन कर लेती हैं. Now these lines are called longitudinal lines. Total number of longitude lines are 180 lines. Just opposite of this, what we call it, the prime meridian line GMT. इसके जस्ट पीछे जो लाइन जा रही है, जो यही वाली लाइन है, this 180 degree west and 180 degree ईस्ट की जो ये लाइन है, जो इसकी ये दोनों 180 डिग्री वेस्ट और 180 डिग्री ईस्ट, ये दोनों ही लाइन असल में एक ही लाइन है. अगर हम इसको पीछे जोड़ेंगे तो ये एक ही लाइन बनती है, जो जीरो के जस्ट बैक में पीछे की साइड जा रही है. यहाँ पर हम देखना चाहें तो फॉर एग्जांपल ये 0 डिग्री GMT लाइन है, तो इसके ही जस्ट पीछे वाली लाइन ये जो है ये 180 डिग्री लाइन है. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं GMT लाइन्स. Now these GMT lines makes time, are also called timelines. If we see the world map, then here in the world map, like this is Russia, and this part is the Alaska region of America. North America, here it is South America, here it is the Australia. Now the 180 degree line is actually, this line is 180 degree longitudinal line. Now as 0 degree line is the make international timeline, this is the international, this line is called the international date line. Now just see, is sunrise here, सन अगर यहाँ राइज हो रहा है और फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर मंडे है, नाउ सन यहाँ राइज हुआ मंडे, मंडे की सुबह, यहाँ मंडे की सुबह, इस तरह से मंडे की सुबह, यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग हो रही है, यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग, यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग, यहाँ मंडे की, क्योंकि अर्थ राउंड है तो हम लोग इधर आ गए हैं, तो यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग हो रही है, मंडे की मॉर्निंग हो रही है, मंडे की मॉर्निंग, मंडे की मॉर्निंग है, मंडे की मॉर्निंग, इस तरह से यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग अब हुई है, यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग अब हुई है, यहाँ मंडे की मॉर्निंग अब हो रही 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 है, और यहाँ पर मंडे की मॉर्निंग, यहाँ मंडे हुआ है अभी सनराइज होने पर, जस्ट इसके एक स्टेप इधर मंडे हो चुका है, तो अब वो मंडे नहीं, अब यहाँ पर क्या है, ट्यूसडे है। कहने का मतलब ये है कि हम एक कदम यहाँ पीछे आएंगे तो हम लोग एक दिन आगे बढ़ जाएंगे, यानी कि हम लोग ट्यूसडे में पहुंच जाएंगे, और एक स्टेप मैं यहाँ पर आता हूँ तो ऐसे में मैं मंडे एक दिन आगे बढ़ जाता हूँ। तो इस तरह से ये जो लाइन इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन होती है, बट दिस इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन समटाइम्स क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम इफ दिस international date line cross any country, like here we see that this line cross Russia and many other island countries. So that is why we make this international date lines. Here we divert this international date line like this. Now here we make this, again we divert this line like this, this and this. The reason behind it is that this international date line does not pass from any one country. If it passes from any one country, then we see two different days in one country in a particular time. So here we see longitudes and latitudes. I hope your question of longitude and latitude is clear. The next main thing is which is left here is that in longitudes, like it is equator, the main longitudinal lines are, this is the 0-degree line which is called equator, the 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south line, 66.5 degree north, the 66.5 degree south line. These all lines are important lines. This one is called the Tropic of Cancer. This one is called Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere. This one is called, because here is Arctic Ocean, so that's why this one is called Arctic Circle. Here it is Antarctica continent, so this one is called Antarctic Circle. These lines make heat zones in Earth. Here the heat comes directly to the Earth, while here we see that the heat take a little bit more distance, and that is why we see three different zones. This zone where heat goes directly, the heat is too much in this zone, and this zone, particular zone, is called torrid zone. While this is the central zone, we'll talk it about later. Before that, let us go to north and southmost zones. This is the northernmost zone, which is very cold zone. Similarly, here also the southernmost zone, a very cold zone. These zones are called frigid zone, both. While the zone in between frigid zone and torrid zone means this one zone and this one zone. Here the temperature is not too much high and not too much low. The temperature is moderate type. That is why this zone is called temperate zone, and this one is also called a temperate zone. So in heat zone, there are basically three heat zones on Earth. The central one in between the 2 degree north and south is the torrid zone. The zone between 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north and south is a temperate zone where the temperature is not high and not too much low. The zone above 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north and south is the frigid zone where the temperature is too much low. So here we done heat zone also. If there is any kind of problem in your mind after giving the answer of your question, then you can comment me. Thanks.